Hi, my name is Tina Califano and I'm taking the Master Beekeeper program, and I need to light a smoker for my practical, and I need to inspect the hive. So here we go. I'm going to light the smoker. First I'm going to put some fuel, this is pine straw, down into the smoker. Then I'm going to take some more pine straw, about equal amount, and I'm going to light it. More pine straw. And put the last one in. That was successful. More fuel, some oxygen. This out because I don't want nothing to catch on fire. I want to be ready with my fuel. It looks pretty good. The bottom has started fire before, so I'm trying not to have anything in here. See, embers can fall. Excuse me. Alright, so I think that's good. Now I'm going to add some of these. This is burlap. I'm going to add some burlap to that. So hopefully keep it going for a while. Okay, now I need to get my bee suit on, my personal protective equipment. I love the bees, but I don't like getting stung too much. Alright, I need my gloves. And the other hive tool. I like this hive tool. I hope that's okay to use. Alright, we're going to inspect this hive. A little bit of smoke in the entrance. Let them know I'm here. The ground's all wet, so that should be okay there. Alright. I'm going to use this to crack open the lid. First, take all my stuff off. I didn't want them robbing. Alright, I'm feeding up here. Oh wow, they emptied a whole jar of feed. Should have been ready with this, right? Trying to any holes that were in the side. I didn't want any robbers or pests getting in. We'll see what we got in this top. This is a feeder shim to hopefully help them get ready for winter. This was a swarm we caught, and I'm trying to boost them up. Let's see what happens. No. Good girls. You're doing great. Okay, well, just gonna check you girls out. I'm gonna take this frame out. They're not building up. They're not building up like I hoped. see this one. This looks like that might be built up. You have honey in here. Nectar stores. Not honey yet. It's nectar. Oh, they are building up this frame. This was the one I put wax on to help them get ready for winter. They built that up really good. I'm going to pass this. I have no home to give them, so I have to give them. I gave them frames with wax. That's the only frame that they're building on, so I'm going to have to take this off. Check the bottom. I didn't want them being robbed out, that's why the screen's here. So I'm going to set that aside for now, and everything else should come off. Take the stupid box off. Place it here for now. And check in here. These are beetle traps, beetle buster traps. I need to take that out. Put that there. Building that up really good on that side. Set this in here for now. I see lots of cat food. Just want to move this away from the other one. So if there's a queen on the other side, she doesn't roll. I don't roll with her. This is really heavy. Lots of cat brood. They're filling it in with nectar. This is honey, cat brood. This is worker brood. This is nectar that they're filling in cells with. And this is capped honey. Oh, look at, this is worker brood. This is pollen. I don't know if you could see it. Wait, bee bread in here. Bee bread in by the brood, which is great. That's where you want it. Good pattern for the swarm that we caught. Nice. I'm going to turn it back around the way I had it, or they had it. Alright, let's check it. Gently. Oh, look at the larva. You see the larva in there? And there's capped brood. See, nectar over here, honey. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at the pollen they're packing there. Trying to see if I can see the queen. Oh, look at the larva. Wow. Different stages of larva. Yeah. Trying to see if I see eggs. Different stages. I don't know if you could see how big they are here. And then how much littler they get on the outside. And eggs, I don't see eggs. It's heavy. Wow, I am so happy. With how this hive is doing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm going to get it away from the side so I don't roll the queen and pull it straight up. Oh, look at that brood. Wow, for a new queen. And they're packing it with pollen. Oh, here's it. Wait, I thought that was a drone because it was darker, but no, worker bees. These are all worker bees. I was hoping for a drone, but too late in the year. Let's see if we can see the queen. I don't think she's going to be on this one because it's too much brood. Look at that. All different size. Down in there, they're all packed. Alright, try another one. Oh wow, yeah, different sizes. Look at that. You see the different sizes? Really small larva in here. If I can hold the bottom without squishing anybody. Can you get close up? I see really little C's on the bottom. She's doing great. They look healthy. Look at the pollen and everything. That's bee bread. Okay, all them cells are felt. Maybe she's on this side. That smoker is not in a good spot. Well, the queen is a lot bigger than the worker bees. These are worker bees. And the queen, her wings come halfway down her abdomen and just about, and she's really, you can really spot her. She's a lot bigger. And the drones are a lot bigger, but they're broader. Oh, here's pollen on a bee's legs. That's pollen. And they turn it into bee bread to feed the brood. And the queens only get the royal jelly. And the workers get the bee bread and the gently. Okay. So I can get this out. Let's see, she's gotta be here. I am happy with what I've seen. She's doing amazing. And this is heavy. Let's get it out. And look at that pattern. Wow, that is beautiful. They are doing amazing. So the queen's hiding from me. She's a lot bigger. She's beautiful. her thorax and her abdomen is a lot bigger. And she lays all the eggs. The queen lays all the eggs. And look at, there's honey, nectar. This is worker brood. I don't see any drone brood, but drone brood looks like bullets. It's a lot, it's further away from the frames. Looks like bullets on there. I don't see any. And I don't see any queen cells or queen cups. Queen cups are the queen cups. They're bigger than this. Oh, there's the queen. There she is. Oh my goodness, is that beautiful? Do you see her? Right here. That's a beautiful queen. I'm gonna get her back in the hive. Sorry. And she just fell to the bottom. Alright, well. So, actually I'm going to take this back out because gently, very gently, because I want to see if she's on here again. And I want to turn this the other way around because the comb, that's how it was. And the comb is sticking out and it's rescinded in there. So I want to make sure it's the same way it's supposed to be. And this is a frame, and this is a medium frame. I choose to use mediums because they fit in my medium boxes, which I'm using. And this is a medium box. This is a bottom board, the medium box on top because it's easier for me to lift. And usually people, a lot of beekeepers, put this back over like that. A lot of people use deeps and they're too heavy for me. So this is a medium, super, and I'm using 2 as a brood chamber. And that's my goal. And then I don't have a queen excluder because right now in the fall you really don't want to use a queen excluder because you want the queen and all the bees to be able to move throughout the hive and get the excess honey that they're storing. And so this is why I choose to use mediums. And they are doing fantastic. I am happy. And let's move this closer because I want the honey on the outside as much as I can to keep them warm. I don't want anything. I don't want empty frames in the middle. So I'm going to put them on the outside. Put this back. On the outside so they can fill it. So I didn't see any drones, but we got to see the queen. The worker bees, they are doing amazing. Working pollen. And just moving there up too. Gently move the frames over. The queen looks so beautiful. But yeah, so move that over. Gently. And my glove is caught. Okay. So we have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This holds 10 frame medium. I use all 10 frames. I want to make sure they have bee space is good. And there's a wasp trying to get out. Okay, so bee space is the amount of space that you need. If you have too much, they will put propolis. If you look, they're gluing this. I don't know if you can see. This is propolis. They're trying to glue the frames to the hive. And if you have extra bee space, more than 3/8, they will put burcomb. If you have less than 3/8, they will put propolis. So you want to make sure you try to have your bee space, and not a lot of empty room up here, so I might have to come back and take this away because I'm not working on it. I want to make sure, put this down gently. Don't want to kill any bees. They're just doing beautiful. This is for beetles to try to kill them. And this is my inner cover. My inner cover, gently. Don't want to kill any bees. I'm going to close that entrance because I don't want robbing at this time of year. I am closing every area I can. So I'm gonna put this back on. This is my feeder. Trying to feed them so they can get ready for winter. Gently. And here's some beetles. Too close. And then I'm going to put this one. Alright, girls. Gently. This was on the bottom, apparently. Just going to switch them. strap them down. This is the inner cover, and this is the lid. This is a migratory lid I choose to use because it covers a whole. It goes down over the inner cover and has a better closure. That's what I think. My smoker, I'm gonna turn it off since I'm done. Thank you.